thunderstorm warning for Bell County in central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:49 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles north of Fort Hood to near Bertram, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Saline, Temple, Cuppers Cove, Harker Heights, Belton, Fort Hood, Melonville, Morgan's Point Resort, Bartlett, Salado, Little River Academy, Troy, Rogers, Holland, Belton Lake, Stillhouse Hollow Lake, Sparks, Union Grove, Dingdong, and Whitehall. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 278 and 312. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather